This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Charlie Bradford. Open house March 28, 2021, 12:30 to 2:30! A great opportunity to own this amazing Woodbridge Hills condo, with a lot of space and a great flexible floor plan with a golf course view. Fresh and bright, the main floor offers a large, eat-in kitchen, formal dining room, a living room with vaulted ceilings and a main floor master, with plenty of closet space and a private, full bathroom. Sliding doors from the dining room open up to a private patio overlooking the golf course. Upstairs, you'll find 2 more good-sized bedrooms and a second full bath. Basement offers a ton of storage space. Walls are framed to make it easily finished for more living space. Choose to have your laundry on the main floor or the basement, hookups in both places. Great Woodbridge walking